So our last question from our Instagram is, what are some resources that you recommend for fitness routines, or any resources that you guys rely on personally?
I'm going to do a shameless plug right now for the things that we've been doing for Campus Rec over the summer, and Megan and Ryan, I know they might jump in there too. So for me, I don't use as much of that kind of stuff personally in terms of resources. There was for sure when I was spinning at home on my own, some indoor cycling group workouts that I was loving to do. But over the summer and continuing, yeah, we're still doing it now on the campusrecreationcenter.com website. So it's campusrecreationcenter.com. Actually, Megan or Ryan, will you pop it in the chat if you don't mind? We have a Campus Rec resource library. So there are tons of workouts and fitness tips and exercises and articles and all about, there's 5 different headings. So one of them is exercises and workouts. Another heading is healthy eating and nutrition. So you can find all kinds of recipes, and the one that I posted today was about herbal teas that really lend themselves to mindfulness. There's another heading called just for fun. So you need to get out and do something, and what can you do, or stay in and do something. What can you do that just to add some fun to your life? Another heading is mindfulness and mental health. So all kinds of mental health resources are there, and we keep adding to it. So every day we're adding to each one of those 4 sections. And then the 5th one is webinars. So we've been doing some Campus Rec webinar series, which we've had, Megan and Ryan have done one for us. We have had a nutritionist on a few times. We've had a dog trainer on talking about, what's your dog thinking during COVID, and what you can do with your dog and how to stay active with your dog. We have the ones coming up next week. We have 2 athletes from the men's soccer team are doing one on motivation. Another week, another 2 athletes are doing one on, what's their topic is, how to stay focused. What is focus and how to stay focused. We have one coming up on as well, self-confidence and how to maintain self-confidence. Megan and Ryan are doing one for us on how to create a workout program for yourself. What does that look like, and how do you do that? And then also, if you wanted to wear a mask while you're working out, adapting your workout to wearing a mask. So they're doing that one. If you know the former Shagwells, it's been changed, and it's now called 2200 North. Next Wednesday at 1 o'clock, we're doing a tour of 2200 North, and Chef Derek that's there is going to make a deconstructed Nanaimo bar. So we'll give you the recipe, and you can make it along with them. We have a paint night coming up on November 26th, I want to say, which is free for students to do. So there's all kinds of things on the Campus Recreation Center .com website. So I'll speak to that part. If you're looking for things, I would have that be your first stop shop, and then I'll let Megan and Ryan, who know way more about the social media, kind of what's going on there, for just even ways to get included and to have some connection. Before I sign off to them, I'll remind viewers that the Flex, so the fitness training center on campus, opens on Monday. So you have to book an appointment, and all that information of how to book an appointment and what's open, what will it look like, all that information is on the campusrecreationcenter.com website as well. So if you need some face-to-face contact, we just had a staff meeting, Megan and Ryan were there as well. It was so nice to see people, to see real people, and to look into somebody's eyes, and to kind of have that feeling of team back, and to be in a familiar space. So we really invite you to come, book a time to work out. It's hopeful that the week after next week, the gymnasiums will be open as well. So you'll have a chance to play table tennis, or to do some other things that you probably have missed doing as well. So again, keeping that physical distancing in mind, and adhering to all the provincial and local guidelines. So you can have a safe way to be out and with some other people and have a chance to be physically active. The track will be open on Monday as well. I don't want to forget that. So yeah, in terms of resources, come and see us. I can put my email up as well, or if people have questions, Heike, feel free to share my email address. If they have any questions, we'd be happy to meet with people as well. But yeah, in terms of resources, that's for me, that would be my one-stop shop right now, is the Campus Recreation Resource Library. Oh, and lastly, sorry, I keep talking, is we've also created a virtual fitness library. So you can go on, if you're a student at DC or Ontario Tech, or a member of the CRWC, then you have access to, I think there's 20 fitness classes that are up there now, and we keep adding to them every 2 weeks. So there's more classes going to be recorded on next Tuesday, like the Tuesday coming up, and then those will be added to the resource library as well, and we'll keep adding to that library as well. So the Campus Rec Resource Library as of last week had almost 6,000 visits. So it's something that people are using and finding helpful. So hopefully some of your viewers will find the same thing.
Yeah, I definitely think everything Angie said, I would 100% recommend. Personally, throughout the summer, working for Campus Rec, I know that we've tried to kind of keep people engaged, specifically students, and I guess anybody who follows the Campus Rec page or Ontario Tech Ridgebacks page, so that we've done a lot of work behind the scenes of trying to find things to keep people engaged and keep people motivated and have stuff to look forward to, because there was nothing to go in, like go to campus to do. Like there was no intramurals, there was nothing like that. And so there's definitely been, and there still is, ongoing like different competitions and different, say like weekends are like say like one weekend, like there's like try and get like 5 kilometers walking and track that on Strava, and then it gets submitted to Campus Rec. So there's just different like physical activities and stuff like that that keep you kind of like the just kind of keep you engaged and more on a virtual platform kind of doing things. But then like Angie said, things are opening back up now, and hopefully will continue to open back up at the school where you do get that face-to-face contact with people, which would also probably help kind of change some spirits about, say, working out or having motivation to go do stuff, because you're not just going to, say, your living room and working out. You're now going to like the gym with people, possibly familiar faces. And yeah, so those are resources that I would recommend. And personally, throughout the summer, I just used like, say, like the Campus Rec things that we would post, and the Campus Rec workout library. That's something that would be a great reliable tool if you, say, don't know workouts to do, or if you don't know how to start your own workout. Definitely use that. A lot of it is either by students or by staff or certified instructors. And yeah, that's what I would recommend.
You guys kind of took all the things I was going to say, but yeah, if you like, the Campus Rec library is really good. If you're trying to build your own workout, you can take like bits and pieces of all of our videos and kind of throw together your own little workout, or you can take one of our videos and use it as your workout. So it's just good to have all those resources. And I think we did workout Wednesdays during the summer. So if you scroll down the DCOT Campus Rec Instagram page, you'll see like a couple videos that have like the workout of the week or something like that. And you can take some of those and add it to your workout. So yeah, if you're looking for workouts that you need, or workouts that you're looking for to add to your workout routine, yeah, the library that we have, and yeah, and those videos that we've posted during the summer are some good resources. So yeah, it's, yeah, you two kind of nailed it on the head. But yeah, it's I'd say the library and the Campus Rec page and the Ontario Tech Ridgeback page had some athlete guided, some varsity athlete guided workout routines as well. So they kind of went through, I think one of our basketball players went through kind of like a skipping routine, kind of like a warm-up skipping routine. Another basketball player went through kind of like a push-up routine. I think a lacrosse player went through her full body workout or her full body circuit. So there's a lot of resources that you guys can use just throughout like our school, and yeah.
Thanks, Ryan. I know this has been hard for you because you're the one that's answering after all of us. I've had the easiest part because I can just go blah and say whatever. I'm just going to add 2 things. So I thought of one site that I have recommend it a lot during COVID, which is a site called Darbee, D-A-R-B-E-E. It's free, and you can go there and use some filters and say, I only have some dumbbells. I don't want it to be super intense. I only want upper body. You can make a workout whatever you want. You can do workout programs that they have. They have challenges. It's an amazing, amazing site. So that's one thing that I would recommend. And my second one is an invitation to people who maybe haven't used the Flex before. This could be the ideal time for you to try it, is right now as we're open, because we can only have, or we're only allowing 30 people per workout time. I know a lot of people are really concerned that they're going to come to the Flex or whatever gym, and people will be watching them and they don't exactly know what they're doing. And picture the gym, the Flex, not being very busy. You can go in, there's going to be 2 or 3 people there who can help you and answer some questions. They'll be on the floor. People are going, because they have to be in and out, they only have 90 minutes for a workout. So people are going to be really involved in just getting in to do their workout and getting out. So it could be the ideal time for you to try a workout. Visit us at the Flex. You'll know 3 faces that you'll see there, Megan, Ryan, and myself. So maybe if the gym hasn't been your thing, we talked at the beginning about stepping outside of your box a little bit. I heard a really great quote the other day, which was, can you kind of live your life C+1? So C is in your comfort zone, and then add 1 step beyond that, just to allow yourself to grow a little bit. So I love that. It's really kind of stuck with me. We want to stay where we feel comfortable. You have to be comfortable in terms of the regulations, and hopefully you see when you come to the Flex that people will be just coming in and out. The change rooms aren't open. The washrooms are open, but no lockers. So you'll be in, you'll be out. There's hand sanitizer everywhere. We're asking people to wear masks unless they're involved in having physical activity. So hopefully you'll find it's a really great space to come. And again, because our numbers will be limited to only 30 people per booking session, I think it could be a really great time to again kind of try to live that C+1. So your comfort zone, but just adding a little bit more to that. So we invite you, and I put my email address in the chat. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Be happy to answer them. If you let me know when you're coming, I can let you know who will be there, who could help you out. So yeah, we really like to be an inclusive space that invites a lot of people who want to come and work out with us. So if you haven't done that so far, don't think that I'll let all those people who know what they're doing come back. We invite you just the same as we invite our regulars that were used to come and see us a lot when we were open.